Hello guys, let's make my husband an Indian style tiffin lunch today. I started off by making this Moong Dal. It's so easy. You just take ghee, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry patta, green chilies, onions, a little bit of ginger garlic paste. You want to saute that all. Add in your tomatoes. Once your tomatoes are nice and mushy and cooked, then you will start to add in all of your spices, which I add about a tablespoon of turmeric, chili powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder, and some salt. You can adjust to taste at the end. Then you'll add in your mung beans, put some water per your liking, and cook in your Instapot for 20 minutes. Once it is finished, I add just a little bit of garam masala, probably about a half of a teaspoon, a little more salt, coriander, and some ghee. And then I give everything a nice mix. And look at this, guys. It is so tasty. I got this lunchbox for my husband off of TikTok shop, and I love it. It is pure steel inside. It keeps everything warm for up to 4 hours. It holds the perfect amount of rice. The second two containers are perfect for a bhaji or any masala or curry. It fits the perfect amount for that as well. And it keeps it hot for 4 hours. That is like the best thing. But I love this because it has the style of like an Indian tiffin box, but with a little more room and a little more style, you know? So you'll see me here putting in some of the Moong Dal. I just love how this goes together so easily. It just screws right on, has a nice tight seal, and everything goes together just so seamlessly. And then it comes with this little top, and it is perfect for pickles. So I put some spicy mango pickle in the top, and then some curd fried chilies up top, and it just nicely fits that for your like condiments or whatever. And then you just pop that on the top and screw it on, and then it has a little lid with a handle. Pop that on, and then the best thing is the cute little bag it has. It just fits in so perfectly. And it also came with a spoon and a fork. It goes in this little bitty black bag right here. Everything has its own little bag. And then you just pop it on the back of the lunch pail. Zip it up, guys. And you're ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you like this, let me know. I'll make more of these. Bye, guys.